wakwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Yes, at the NSA. St. George, OC data prices and all expensive na and yemlem wine. Utri kutu set Titanic ship. What it? Utri kutu set Titanic ship. And now say yemlemu esla usuno. And then the yemlemu obi. Am I emblemu? Massa. Aya na momoje nsagana for ya mo na say ya nwene senipa. Ade amunyamwa because nkrofona mo members no o mo ntimi nwene senipa entimo sori a ye beba ma no na moka utiri kutu set transformer.
Platform. From the Tosumi Asante. Sam George Kasa sa bebre dodo. Ya yetimi data.
Say Jinapo Kasa ya hu de ku yudi miano. Menkasa.
The kai 2019, 2020, 2022, 2023. No communication hono. Ranking member communication. O say abai no yehudi ni ase oni oslo wusu data engofo engine say omote voice call so international practice and say wote eyi so Nigeria no akotu ya di dwuma di ahye wonsa obaya no se wate interministerial committee oni telcos for asia na oni omuhia oni ombedi nkomo 5 months 5 months
so far Mahama ni ministers na je wa danson extraordinary a minister of finance.
Unim so no sina na bebre kra about down say
on kasa o papa na ho brase mu
sika pedede
on kasa wono de na waye no ntina say affect all other ministries say say so
city up
so
me am in here go poko agric me hu policy
and me no ya adwen
agric me hu she sabe jemfi a ye pa na pampe
gold board
or call a gold board ya last month what timi ama ton gold 2.5 billion and no na Bank of Ghana di move 459 million
it is true Nanado Boa John Mahama in his education Monsieur Tumika Sesebio Mahama dio to me top air flights Ekufu ado dio to me Mahama to me fab business class Ekufu ado nkofa trotro Mahama to me num born vita Ekufu ado nkono mududu. This is the nonsense you people did. Destroyed a Juma Nanado and they are not even ashamed. And Yama Nanado never is the same thing you people are taking credit for. Last no I said Kwasiano so he said the cabinet in Takando. And right now Ghana is in a position for to produce our own vaccines. We have a vaccine institute and what. Akando, you've only been in government for 4 months. And that vaccine thing was not an idea of NDC. And I remember, oh God, man, hear me say Ghana on. So omo ma okwan ye se nkofo bi o chi na bo ne trimu tuo say pay cause omo no say your mind. Womo no mo de adwene bo ne se nkofo trimu. Me kai se mo kai a corona ba ya yes ye be yes vaccine institute you know me sere mo Ghana for both NDC and MPP we dey mo ma mo ndi no krama bonyame. What did Kwabena Minta Kando say? I say it is not true. And you're possible. Or the health committee, so on any ranking member for NDC on health committee. Now, or catch us and or catch Ghana for you now say there is nothing like a vaccine institute that the Akufo-Addo government is building. Fast forward, just 2 years. Just 2 years down the line, Kwabena Minta Kando stands in front of people and is telling people, say, Ghana now has a vaccine institute, so we can produce our own vaccine. The same vaccine money you claim Akufo-Addo appointees a the same money you were saying is Ajimamenu, Honorable Ajimamenu, where we ask Kentiafanu Kotum, and not Siam Minta Kando. Was Siam Penny Jimmy for Minta Kando. And no to me, Ghana has moved forward. Ghana now has a vaccine to be seen. I swear, no matter baby, Name. Or Pebble and the special MPs for no, or more Mabaji positions, no, Namebo Pomo, Damo Mako, Momartin, baby and Sunka. Embre Yeninka so, Yenina, Yato, my papa, and can't remember, say, a buyer wouldn't buy, no, or Bonumba, or Sanko of Wejuma, or Bank of Father Doom some 4 years, who be a barber pepper and the 12 pepper Ghana to, and my Ghana fan and to my pack a crefra, who called a brutia, ya starting in Ghana. ɔsɛ mmoa yɛbɛtɔn dɔko baako 3 cedi nti wode kwasia no bɛba aba bɛdi president ɛna aboa no na waba mu dwane no ɛna aboa no a mo sɛ mopɛ no ɔno na waba mu dwane na mo feel sɛ yɛwie muhu hwee me sound no one we ama mo me sound no one we ama obi a whether you are MPP or NDC sɛ mu ne mafutuo a mu ne mafutuo sɛ meyɛ ndidi atamu a ɔho monkɔ kan kyerɛ kwasia mpani Kevin Taylor monkɔ kan kyerɛ Jimifoɔ Sami Jamfi monkɔ kan kyerɛ kurasini Sam George monkɔ kan kyerɛ aboa kujata blocker akwasia mpampo bi te sɛ Abraham Nta Kando no monkɔ tu ɔfo sɛ didi atamu nyɛ me mapa saa afutuo no utie mapa saa afutuo no mo fe sɛ yɛbɛfeefe yɛto ama mo no some will say and say die ni na yɛbɛhwɛ ma na say asia me when I came to power you set a cabal and say oh mama deɛ baako kora nyɛ yie adeɛ kora ayɛ yie na obi ahu anani da hɔ no mutumi kɔka kyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo boa mutumi kɔka kyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ sɛ it is a lie they are lying they are lying there is nothing like a vaccine institute there is nothing like this you people said all these things. And then what about power? You are commissioning the same thing this fool said was not true. The same project now. And this is what Gina Singh say. These are the products they are ushering out now to Ghanaians and say, Omo buy no, Omo be institute no, Moma minimum mako and this for. Now one trying my catch we see a short one, we have 5 minutes warm up. Muti, me ho tome ba. Muti na afei ne ye be soja who say me NDC mobile power and am catch them say me mama kan mo budget awie my chusu no call for awie na ma steady the way am na mo le beko George and na munim dia NDC for ye because you start to make argument and say the dollar has reduced but prices of goods hasn't reduced. And guess what they have tried to do now? Now, social media for negum, and this is what they are doing. Please don't get fooled with it. Why? Don't be fooled with it. This is what they are doing. No matter the baby. Oh, documentary attend. You want to agree with most of the decisions that President Jerry John Rawlings here, you know. Yantida say yetumi ma obi sika say fa Rawlings court na ho na didi na tem. All we did was to point out the inhumane act of Rawlings. 2, we did not say that because we did not win an election, we are going to make sure that government business does not go on. But under John Dramani Mahama, they spent 8 years. And this is where Jimmy for we need a quick warm up for you people. You people spent 8 years, paid thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, there's a guy called Nana Jantwa who came to say man, $2,000. So it is true. NDC, Mahama, man, $2,000 say Onkodi Nanado attempt. It happened in Ghana. So I'm not speaking from a vacuum. I'm speaking from experience. I'm speaking from things that we have experienced while we were in power and NDC was in opposition. They bought the whole media to the point say, "Yetumika Chiregan and he say, none the papa ne mami to me in school. Nanso aban bi ba no be in school a onye hwe. Na mom sa aban no ma me 2 cedi dokono a waboa no. This is how these people turn Ghanaians' mind to. Omanya no de dum somu ana ne baba shop eguo ni cold store eguo hello SKB ni cold store eguo ni bibi eguo yetumi come and to Ghana ni tiri mu say dia oba ya wo cold store gu ye no dia oba